And I'm back at the Marriott here in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And this is supposedly a deluxe awesome view room 1410. Let's start with the bathroom. Here we have a toilet and this god-awful tub. The Marriott brand of bathroom amenities, bathtub, gumbo shower, and as you can see, this is very 80s, 90s style. Then we have some closet space over here. Oops. Slippers, ironing board, and here we have this really luxurious bedroom, and this tiny chair, work desk, Nespresso machine, TV. Let's see. Oh my goodness, we have total of two Nespresso capsules, and of course there's a mini bar. But at this luxury hotel, it's completely empty. So I don't know. What would you say? Is this truly luxury, or is this a fake luxury? I would say this is a freaking fake luxury. Okay, but yes, and this is actually a very foggy day today. Sunday, so you can hardly see anything. That's Copacabana, by the way, there. And they always, on Sunday, they close the other lane so people can actually walk there. So again, this is the luxurious deluxe. So I don't know where's the luxury or where's the deluxe. Awesome new room, 1410 at the JW Marriott, Rio de Janeiro, here in Brazil. 1410.